Bump stops are cushions that dampen the lower control arm and prevent the lower control arm from impacting the frame if you hit a hard bump. If you lift your vehicle, it's recommended you extend the bump stops as well. So why is this? A lifted suspension increases lower and upper travel. An extended bump stop helps prevent a bound up and cracked coil during extreme impacts or articulation, as well as prevents the suspension from fully bottoming out. An extended bump stop is relatively cheap insurance to help protect your expensive suspension. There are front and rear bump stops, which are of different types. This video will show the front bump stop installation. I chose the Energy suspension bump stops, which are about $33 on Amazon, made in the USA, and are significantly less expensive than other aftermarket bump stops. Even though they may say they don't fit, they do in the front of the 5th generation 4Runner. I started by removing the stock bump stops. This required a large pipe wrench. If it isn't loosening fairly easily, you may need to apply some penetrating oil. I didn't do this on the driver's side and actually sheared a bolt off, which required a trip to the shop to drill out the bolt. The passenger side bump stop, however, came off without a problem. For easier access, use a jack to lift the weight off the suspension. You can also take the wheel off if you don't want to work at awkward angles. Apply thread locker to the bolt to prevent loosening due to vibrations. I chose medium strength that can still be loosened with tools but without heat. Thread the new bump stops on and tighten, but don't over tighten though. Then lower the vehicle and repeat on the other side. You won't really notice the extended bump stops unless you are reaching near maximum upper travel with off-roading or if you have a hard impact. It's good to do it though to help protect your lifted suspension. If you do like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.